I'm going to place it here. So we're just gonna dot it because I want this to be gold because I'm using my same gold that I use on my sticks. So I want that to kind of blend in together. After you do it with your gold, I'm gonna come back and do it with the wine berry also. I'm gonna kind of put it back on there again, but I want to have it kind of off center just a little bit so you can see some of the gold sticking out. And we're gonna dot this, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. See how that make it look at highlighted? Ain't that pretty? So let's do the other one like that. Done dotted around with the gold. I'm gonna go back because I want this to stick out a little bit. So I'm gonna go over just a little bit. We're gonna have like a two-tone um, border. Things just blended in together. Ain't that pretty? Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my boys on my sticks here. So what I'm doing now, I'm just lining it up where I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this where I'm gonna put it at when I glue it. So I'm gonna use my little pencil. I'm just gonna go across it because that's where I'm gonna put the top of it at. Go ahead and put it like so. I'm gonna hold it. All right, now I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I had my husband to grill some holes through my wood here, and we're just gonna tie this off. Okay, and if you don't have a grill, you still can come back, get your glue gun, and just glue it on the back. Just glue it on the back like so. So we are done. So I'll be back and I'm gonna show you the final results. Okay, so this is our final results that we did today. This was just something quick and easy that I wanted y'all to, that I want to show you all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did today. And this will be a nice sign to have up in your kitchen or your living area. You can have it anywhere, even in your bathroom. You can have it in there. Use for whatever you want to use it for. It'll be great. And thank y'all for joining me today. And hope to see y'all the next time. And I'd like to just thank all my subscribers, and I thank all my new subscribers. And y'all all just been great. And like I always say, just continue being safe and be blessed. And we'll see y'all the next time for our next project. Okay, bye-bye.